everyone. In this video, I would like to show a demo app. Uh, it is built using multiple platforms. So basically, we have built a platform with a vision to implement or to achieve enterprise grade scalability and longevity. So what we have done is we have used Microsoft 365 SDK, Agent SDK, to build a custom Teams bot that integrates with the backend AI systems. We have built our backend AI system using open source multi-agent framework, LangGraph, but it is very flexible. It can be adapted to change it to AutoGen, Crew AI, or any modern or familiarized framework. So the ultimate concept is to utilize the most from the Microsoft ecosystem, because most organization, they trust Microsoft ecosystem and they implement or invested heavily in it. So why don't we use, because whatever AI application we are building nowadays has a unique UI layer built using Docker deployed there. So we took bits and pieces from the good things from every parts and put it in a single piece. So we built this architecture. Let me show the architecture first, and then I will take you to the application. Here you can see the architecture. So it is Microsoft 365 Azure Zone. Okay, so the user basically they can chat using the Teams UI, and that will route to Azure bot services. So this bot services, it's a free as per Microsoft. There is no charges for official Teams channels. It has no brain, unlike Microsoft Copilot. It has no LLM brain, because our LLM brain has been built and deployed internally behind the corporate WAF. That's the main goal. So what we have done also to make it more async and make it more secure, we have integrated fast API, right? And then LLM guard. So this is the feature, security features I was talking about. So all the LLM prompts will be scanned before hitting the LLM, the brain, right? Also the output scanner, so whatever LLM sends also it can scan and restrict the response to be displayed to the end user, right? So for example, if I search for how to build a gun, so this open source LLM guard will say no, this I cannot answer this. It will deny basically. Or if I try to change the brain, the prompt of the LLM, and it will deny. So a lot of key features there using this LLM guard. So to talk about this app, the AI backend app, it's a demo app, as I mentioned. The main intentions to demonstrate the platform as a whole. So the app, what it does, it will ask a user query and it will search in the local documents. We have vector DB, so it will do a vector search, and at the same time, to avoid hallucination, it will before it delivers the message to the end user, it will cross check its answer, and if it finds not relevant, it will also hit the web search to get the latest data. There are flags we can achieve to make it pure local or in a hybrid mode. So hybrid mode, always check the web application, the websites, popular websites, SSL certified websites using Tavily search APIs, and then combine both these documents, local documents plus the websites, and then find the relevant content to build a research article. Just to talk about the data flow, user submit a query, and then the LLM guard input scan, it will flag, it can reject, or if it is a clean query, proper valid research query, it will hit the backend API, and this backend API do all the RAG process, and then again there is a LLM guard before displaying the output. Finally the data will come up in the Teams UI. It's my bot name ITSG Deep Research version 1.0.1. It has access to a couple of users under my single tenant. I have only 2 users, but just to show, like, it can be restricted to particular users or particular group or teams. My user IT, this is, so basically, if I go to apps built for your organization, here you can see the app that we have built. So here you can see the details, and you can open it, right? So yeah, let me do a research first. Hi, let me type hi. Yeah, so it is thinking, right? So let me do a research. Okay, research, and then we'll ask few questions about the research. So Microsoft Copilot versus custom MS365 agent SDK. I'm just trying to build a report for this query. So see, this is the web streaming I was talking about. This will if it is Copilot Studio, as of now there is no proper streaming, like, and it has a defined timeout. So if the response is not received within a particular timeout, it will get a timeout error. This is as of now I'm talking about. For a long query, you cannot use Copilot Studio. This particular custom agent, has a streaming mode. It is doing the research in the background and giving some feedback in the front end. Finally, we got a detailed article about Microsoft 365 everything, and it has the references from where it got the information. So there is hallucination has been restricted or reduced as much as possible, and you have the download option, download PDF, Word, and Markdown. So let me download PDF. So let me click visit site. So this is a custom PDF with a custom header in it. This can be customized even further. Let it load. So now you can see the same, whatever content it was there in the AI response, chat response, it is in a PDF. So yeah, that's all for this video. And the platform is amazing. We have done a lot of work to make it secure. Logging is there, test cases are there, unit testing is there. So, and we are still developing this system, and a lot of more use cases in the pipeline. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.